Hi, it's Nilo again, your live vlogger, and I don't know how many vlogs I've made today. I think 3 vlogs for today. Yes. So I'm in the area of Panormo, which I consider one zone. Ambiloquipi is another zone. So the neighboring zone of Ambiloquipi. So you could still meet a lot of Filipinos. Here's the supermarket. And there is the metro station there. So I will meet from here my friend who comes from Perayos. Perayos is that place where I made vlogs last Thursday. Seaport of Perayos, because she works there and she stays there, not inside the port, but at the outside port, but it's like the port is her neighbor. How do I say it? Okay. Ice cream shop. I like the color. It's pink. Look. Overall. Tama yun. Kala ko overall. Sana all. Here. We move closer. There's again sari-sari store, the Periptero. There. We will be staying on Sunday in the afternoon. We will be going instead of a seafood restaurant in Perayos. That plan is canceled, so we will be moving here at Nemo Sushi over there. There, Nemo Sushi bar. So I've been in for maybe 3 times, and the food is affordable. All the food are tasty, yummy, and amazing. Nandun. Dati dito may McDonald's. Dati doon ang McDonald's. Ngayon ay malaking restaurant na rin. So I've been there, because one of my relatives held her birthday party, birthday party there. It's there. Food are amazing. Here is the park and the entrance to the metro as well. We'll go by here from this side. Siguro by this time, medyo parating na, although walang internet connection dahil nasa loob ng lupa. But not all the stations have no internet connections. There are also stations that you can have internet connection, but most of the stations don't have. Mga Pinoy dyan, Pinoy, meron na namang sari-sari store dito. Here. Exit area to the metro. She's here. I'm on live.
Punta muna sa Nemo.
Pame. Let's go.
Bigat.
Akin na yan. Ano to? Dinala mo na ang bahay nyo. Sige ha. Nagdala siya ng pagkain kasi we are going to attend yung sinabi ko nga kanina, parang fellowship. Parang get together ng mga Ilocano people. Nagdala siya. Not all, but may yun nga ang Greek American na kung matutuloy sila. And then ganun na, may Tagalog din na isa. Kung matutuloy silang lahat natin. Ayun ang Nemo. Puntahan natin.
Mas maganda
ang bigat.
siguro sa loob na lang.
Oo, kung ano nila doon sa mga mga ilang heads ba? 20? 10 to 12. Kasali na kami doon, hindi pa. Okay. Sa Ate Presi?
Oh,
Okay.
dati presi, yun na.
Si Kasi, okay. So, kaya nilang i-ano yan, pa-reserve
8 o'clock.
ng gabi. After na ng
Minsan ni Father Rodel,
doon
may
sa
taga-English
English na mas
sa
English
Cebu.
So dalawang masses po bukas ang one Filipino, another is English, but they are presided by two priests, Filipino priests. Hi. They are going inside.
Hello.
I'm having my live vlog. Is it okay? Live vlog. Live
vlog.
Yes. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Sabihin mo.
Here's the Nemo.
Nemo. Magpa-reserve ka for
Yes. We are how do you, because tomorrow at 8 o'clock, maybe 10 or 12 people will come here. Shall we make a reservation or what? Or a casual?
You should, because it's a Sunday.
Yeah, it will be busy.
12 people. What time?
Approximately 10 to 12. 8 in the evening.
8 in the evening?
Yes, tomorrow.
Yes, it will be good.
Okay.
dito sa
Can we check place or let's say tables?
Sabi mo may dalawang para.
Inside,
Okay.
The only way to fit
Mhm.
is there, 12 people.
Yes.
Or,
To connect tables,
yes, or we take like,
On this side, much better. Yes. By the road, this part.
you should,
Is it possible? Yes.
let me check.
For 12 people maximum.
Let me check.
Okay. No. Here, maybe here. Inside, but not at the outside.
No, I'm gonna check with my...
Okay. Thank you. Nemo team. Madami mga Pinoy dito. Yung mga food nila.
Ang sarap.
Salmon or salmon. Oy, parang
Gusto ko lang dito calamares.
calamari is yung posit. Ang sarap. Parang yung ano natin o parang yung bangos natin. They call it the labraki. Yes.
Yan na lang.
Baked potato. They also have this Asian cuisine, yung yung fried rice.
Fried rice.
Ito sila, yung mga baked.
Yes.
These are no problem, So we can come at 8. Magpa-break. Yeah.
Kailangan
She's making, are we going to make down payment or what? No,
You want to pay upfront?
As
or
we come.
tomorrow?
Yes, as we
Yes,
come.
if you
Yes,
can
okay.
pay
But please make the reservation, please. At 8 in
Yes,
the
8.
evening, yes.
Yes, it's
Okay.
okay.
Thank you.
Okay lang po. He speaks Filipino language. Are you Greek, sir?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Nice to know.
Tagalog.
Because you are in the vicinity of Filipino people,
Yes.
Thousands of Filipino. Oh, look at this. Fresh. They fresh from they cook or they prepare the food.
I need you to give me a name.
She is the one responsible, yes.
Okay.
She sets the, these plans.
Sorry, we need the name and a telephone.
Telephone. I will give you.
While I'm vlogging, all fresh and healthy. Salad. That's why when you come to Greece, you should enjoy the freshness of Greece. Not, but sometimes we cannot avoid to eat too much fat from pork and beef. But nowadays, I am trying to, to cut my food, my diet into, I need to avoid, but not that 100% to avoid pork and beef as much as possible. My meat would be white chicken, which is more safe for my health. It's not because I don't like meat, but it's for my health health reason. That is why. Because I'm getting older, I'm 58 already. As you know, I had my birthday this month. So I think he's the manager.
If we do this, it will be until here.
Yes, no problem. It's better.
I don't think you will fit 12 people. I don't know.
Ah.
I think like here we can fit 3 days.
Uh-huh.
Max.
I will ask the owner tomorrow if she lets me. If she lets me, I will do it.
Okay, so sir, sorry.
If I can't do it, is it a problem?
I think no. Sir, sorry to interrupt. So there are two possible places where we can, from this side and from this side.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Those are
okay.
the
So
options.
either side would be okay, but we prefer this side if it's possible.
I think with the 3 tables, are you okay with 3 tables?
For 12 people, so you know, you can approximate it.
It's
For 9 people.
For you mean this side would be occupied? Would this side be occupied? No, eh? Okay, okay. To enjoy the view as well, maybe.
Το κάθε τραπέζι χωράει.
Nag-Greek sila.
Άμα βάλεις
Ang
τρία
pogi
τραπέζια,
ng ano, ang pogi ng nito. Oh.
θα πρέπει να συνομωχτούν.
I-charge ko kaya.
Εκεί πέρα μπορεί με ένα τραπέζι λίγο επειδή είναι και καναπές να χωρέσουν πιο πολύ, δεν ξέρω.
Ah,
Εγώ έτσι πιστεύω, τώρα δεν ξέρω. Να σου πω εδώ, επειδή είναι και κοντά στο γυαλί, μπορεί να μην χωράνε καλά. Εγώ έτσι πιστεύω τώρα, δεν είναι.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Our Sister Gemma, I think this one is also, you know, nice. Why? There are cushions.
what?
I think this side is also nice.
Whatever you prefer.
Yeah. If this is not possible,
Just tell me what do you
This
prefer,
is the
so I
alternative,
ask
yes.
for the owner.
yes, sir. So don't let others to use this or this. So we.
No, no,
Okay. Thank you very much
How,
for your
what time do you come?
8 o'clock. Would it be okay if we come a little bit?
In the afternoon.
Yes. Like this time. What time is it now? It's 7:15. Okay.
I will have it occupied. Whichever side I will
Yeah.
I need to
You
use.
will have
So you can still have,
calamares.
Yes. Do you want that? Do you want me to keep something for tomorrow?
What?
Do you need something for sure that you will need?
Calamares.
The
Small
food,
or fresh from the sea? Big ones. Come.
Αλλά υπάρχει σύντομα μικρό.
So one, sir, that we.
This one is big fresh. I have also frozen. Small,
Okay.
Small ones.
So this is fresh.
The
eh?
baby.
1 kilo.
Is
Like
27 euros. Oh my God. It could be frozen. It doesn't
Huh?
matter. Pag frozen, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
And it's 11.90
Yes.
per portion. That's frozen.
Okay.
This goes by kilo. 26.90 raw.
Okay.
26.90 raw.
Okay, sir.
29.90 grilled or
Yeah.
fried, whatever you want.
This is our first time to be here. I'm telling you for your information.
Yes.
She is a tour group organizer.
So,
So I mean, if we like your service, maybe there are other people she could invite. So it's your chance.
yes.
Yes,
Very
you
good.
understand, yeah?
Yeah, understand.
So that is why it's our first time. I don't tell you to impress us, but just you know, the best that you can. Yes, usually. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Just to have knowledge about who she is.
It's important. It's important to tell you that.
Calamares.
Barbonia ini akriba eh.
Salmon.
Popo
Red
20.
onion.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe I don't have this.
Mhm.
Or this.
It doesn't matter.
Yes. If you need something specific, let me know.
I think for as long as there is calamare, we are okay. And the other, yes. Okay.
Θα έχουμε και αύριο.
Fish.
We will have this.
It's very clean and fresh.
Okay. Tomorrow.
Okay.
Did you make-
I need to write.
Yeah. Your phone number and your...
Mangi-aywan na lang sana siguro ako ng kalahati. Kalahati.
Para sa kanila.
Para
Ang
kinapay.
importante naman si ano.
Or 1 kilo. 1 kilo ito. Saka half kilo ito.
12 lang naman
kung
tayo.
Ano yung gustong mag-order na
No. Kanya-kanyang ano na, hindi ko mag-take out.
1 kilo and half kilo
For sure.
for tomorrow. Yes.
And many more. Maybe salad. Yes, of course.
Half kilo of this is maybe.
2 pieces.
Yeah, maybe 2 pieces.
For one plate eh. One
Pagkalaman,
platter.
Grilled.
Grilled, yes.
Okay, and 1 kilo. 1 kilo.
Of course, fried eh.
Kutsumo.
This goes by portion. It's 2 portions, 1 kilo.
Okay.
It's the same. Tell me your name.
Gemma.
Gemma.
Magbigay ka na lang ng ID.
J or G?
G.
She will show you an identification.
Like this.
G.
GEMMA. Magbigay ka na lang ng ID mo kaya sis. Para hindi man niya
I will
ma-misspell.
write. Gemma.
To me. To me.
Gemma Bello.
Bello.
Zelo. And my
Phone
number?
number?
You might be wondering why there are no people. Usually, they come here at night, let us say 11 in the evening, because you can see it's 7:21 and the sun is still up. So, way to go before the sunset. So, summertime is enjoy time as it is. People are outside. She's making transaction with the manager. Salamat daw. Okay. Thank you.
Tomorrow?
Do you know what salamat means?
Yes.
What is it? Para Karistopoli in your...
Salamat po.
Maraming salamat means Karistopoli.
Yes.
Puli means marami. Ligo. Kirene puli melay ilinika tinatad. Diksero niya. A little bit may. Ligo. Pag sinabing ligo, a little bit.
For tomorrow?
Sa atin, ligo na yung sardines, saka yung ligo na maliligo.
Okay.
So, are we okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Bye-bye.
Very much. 8 o'clock, okay?
Yes, sir.
12 people.
Before 8, we are here.
Before 8, yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
12 people.
I'll see you.
Well, yes.
Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi.
Tale, Mekirye. I'll see you. Parang ganun tama ba yung aking Greek? Doon tayo, para hindi tayo maligaw, bumalik tayo. Pwede tayong sumakay para sa dalawang stasyon sa Ambelokipi. Pupunta tayo sa bahay kasi nandun pa yung pagkain.
Ah,
Nadadali natin kay Ate Presi. Tumawag sa kanina, parang i-ready na layat.
ice cream baka natin.
Hindi, naka-styro naman. May dala siyang ice cream. Tsaka soft drinks. Sabi ko nga, Jenna Rose. Hindi Gemma ang pangalan niya, kundi Gemma Rose. For the generosity. Ito, nasa teritoryo kami ng mga Pinoy. Kilala ko sila, namin. Si Madam, ayan oh. Galing sa trabaho, pagod na pagod. Kagaya namin. Paawa effect naman tayo. Hindi naman sila maniniwala. Nagla-live ka pa ba kung pagod ka? Ano ka ba? Ini-enjoy mo ngayon.
May bakasyon.
Oo, nagkataon na bakasyon. Hindi, wow, sabi ko.
Wala.
Tatlo kayong araw ang bakasyon ko ngayong week. Pero no work, no pay naman. Hindi mas magandang may Tuesday, Thursday, at saka Saturday. No work, no pay. So, sorry. At least nakapag-vlog. Kunya-kunyari.
Nakapag-vlog ka na, naka-open ka na ng vlog mo.
Not to, hindi naman ako nag-aim ng ma-monetize. Hindi naman. Pero kung libre, edi wag na. Pero kung sabihin ni Meta, sige,
Gugu ka na.
registration free is free. Walang babayaran. Edi go. Pero may babayaran eh. As you go sa application, pay, blah, blah. Bagligwak doon kasi pay eh. Pag money ang involved, wala.
Wala akong dalang food, ha?
Alam, di nga sabi namin, di ba, huwag ka na magdala. Because they will take care of you. Everyone will bring food. So parang potluck ba? This is your share. Ice cream, it's more than what we share. Mas mga pa nga. Parang ang bilis na nating maglakad.
Oo nga.
Ano lakarin na lang kaya natin? Kaya mo?
Saan ba?
5 minutes lang. Diyan sa sa may kung saan ko kayo nakita sa sa estasyon ng Ambelokipi.
Ah, okay.
Dito sa banda, likod namin.
Sanay ako sa...
Oo, ako rin. Ang layo ng nilalakad mo doon sa part-time noong Huwebes.
Ako?
Saan ka galing?
Mala...
Pumapasok ka doon sa port para maglakarin Parang ako kung minsan
20 to 30 minutes ko nilalakad.
at the peak of the extreme weather kahapon noong Huwebes, napakainit. Kinakaya mo yon? My God. Alas 2 yun ha. Yun yung pinakamainit na lugar, na place, na time. When I was vlogging,
Everyday yun. Nilalakad. Wala. sanay na ako.
Ah,
23
bagay,
years ko ba naman
sanayan naman.
Pagbaguhan ka
Ito
lang
yung church na Orthodox na paborito ko. Paborito kasi yun yung pinakamalapit na church. Although hindi pala. Pero ano kasi yung access niya, mga pinsan ko yan, si Merly. Hi, I'm on live. yung aking bayaw, asawa ni Merly na pinsan ko. Pinsang buo ko yun.
Ang dami mo palang kamag-anak dito.
Naman, halos lahat. Joke. Yung iba, kakilala ko, yung iba ba, parang mga barangay mates ang nasira kong ama. Tsaka ang nanay ko na magkatabi yung barangay kasi nila noon sa Irkando. So, sabi ko pag nandito ka, parang nasa Pilipinas ka. Ang kamaboring.
Wala.
Ikaw, si Kalaang, ikaw lang mag-isa. Ayan, sometimes nag-Ilocano kami.
Paggabi, tahimik ng paligid ko.
Parang nasa ka na, ibang planeta. Kasi ba naman yung buong building sa'yo. Hindi pa, ikaw ang caretaker. Ilang palapag yun? 8? Nako po. Ililinis mo lahat. Pero in-schedule. Pero in-schedule naman, di ba? Isang palapag.
Kaya yung paglinis ko ng veranda once a month.
Once a month. Kaya mo pala pag na-program, di ba? Parang kung ako dito, hindi ko kakayanin. Baka 2 floors pa lang patay na ako. Pero may program naman.
I-program ko. Noong una, nagagalit ang amo.
Oo. O, di
Kasi
siyempre.
dati marami kami.
Ah,
6 kami.
tapos ikaw na lang ang natira, naiwan.
Ang una, nag-crisis, di ba?
Oo.
Nag-crisis, nagbawas.
Ano
ng
yun?
amo ko.
2008.
Oo.
Mga ganun, 2009,
Imagine
2010.
yung 6 kami doon, nagbawas ng amo ko, 2 na lang kami
Oo.
naiwan.
Tapos nasaan yung isa?
Tapos nung nag-COVID, wala na.
Ah,
Yung great na ang kasama ko.
I see. We are on live with 0 viewer.
Marami.
Live, walang viewer. Kanina may isa. How sad.
Kaya nga, pag-gising ko ng umaga, pagbukas ko, sigurado.
Hindi, late na nga yun eh. Dahil tinatamad ako kanina, am I going to go out to make lakad-lakad? Pero okay na, sige na nga, pagbigyan ng paas.
Pag Sabado,
Ayan, nasa territory kami ng mga Pinoy. Nasa mga trabaho pa sila kasi pauwi pa lang sila from their work. Pero bukas siguradong puno yan kasi Sunday.
oo dito.
And not only that pala, konti rin, pero kasi nasa sa island sila, sa mga summer houses ng kanilang employer.
Ang chicken bro. Gusto ko ng chicken.
Pupunta kami sa isang Asian market. Ayun siya. Hey, supermarket. Araw pa yun, Araw supermarket. Kinuha sa pangalan ng Pinoy. Dito ka bibili? Kahit kaya muna dito, ilapag mo muna dyan. Bantayan ko. Boy bawang, napakalaki. Oy, malunggay. May dahon ng ampalaya. May pechay. Sitaw. Mayroon ding papaya. Sayote. Ampalaya. Talong na pampakbet. Yung yung patola. Radish. Fresh onion. Yung green, yung spring onion. Ayun sila. Punta tayo sa loob. Ayan yung mga Filipino products. Mga Pinoy products. Patok tayo. Hindi naman bawal mag-video. Here we are. Mga frozen nila. May spring rolls wrapper. Siopaw. Chicken kasi si. Ayan, bangos. Hotdog, Pure Foods. So, almost all the Pinoy products are here. Name it and they have it. This is one of the many Asian markets in Ambeloquete or Filipino market. Meron silang dates. Ayan, fresh milk. Yung mga ano din, mga gulay, saluyot, okra, and many more. Ito yung mga summer, maraming gulay from pag summer. Meron silang stick oh. Oh. Milo. Dito kinuha yung pangalan ko. I was Milo before. But when I started to when I graduated, my name is Milo. Is it Milo? Yes. And then I learned that my name is Nilo, not M, when I went to high school. So I have two names, I have two birthdays. What does it mean? What do this mean? Dalawa yung aking gender, dalawa yung aking pagkatao. I don't know why. Or are all this coincidence? Or what? Or sinadya talaga? Ayun ang mga hopya, oink-oink at saka munggo. Meron ding ube. Ayan, yung pandesal. Mayroon silang pistachio. Napakamalang pistachio. Mayroon akong fresh na pistachio sa bahay. Binili ko from Likey. Kasi I was so amazed na ngayon lang ako makakita ng fresh na pistachio. And when I tried, napakasarap. Pandikoko. Jasmine rice. Siyempre, Asian market kaya maraming rice. Although, people here seldom eat rice. If they do, inilalok lang sa mga kanilang mga pagkain o yung mga ulam. Like stuffed vegetables with the rice. Ganun lang.
13.65.
Wine of different kinds. Biscuits, may OTAP, may Skyflakes. Ayan. Chicharon, ito yung chicharon oink-oink. Yung putok-batok. That's pame.
Kaya na? Kusag.
Kaya ko yatang buhati mag-isa. Ito yung dala niya. Ako na. Oh, okay. Kunyari lang no. Bye-bye. I am on live. Yung magandang tindera. Marami nanonood. 20,000 na joke. Dalawa. Chicharon.
Chichi.
Mabigat nga pala talaga. Doon pa. Sa may likod ng Vodafone dati, yung sa Robs, yung bilihan ng alahas.
Doon din yung mga pamangking ko.
Oo, magkakalapit.
Pero dito ang opisina nila.
I see.
Walang nakatira diyang tambakan ng mga gang.
I see. Small world,
Puro
Mamimit mo sa ibang bansa yung mga relatives mo na hindi mo nakikita sa Pilipinas. Dito kayo magkikita-kita. Hindi ganoon naman talaga eh. Parang small world. Andito ulit kami sa aming hotel. Aming hotel, President Hotel. Ayan siya. Lahat ng mga hotels ngayon ay okupa. Ayan, nakabili siya ng yung Oishi, Chippy. Di ba? Taray niya, oh.
may comic pa.
Ganon kahalaga ang mga Asian na product sa amin. Parang hindi rin kami naninibagan as if we are in the Philippines. Kaya lang medyo may kamahalan. Oh, Yamsi is Ading, happy birthday ulit. Maraming beses ko nang greet happy birthday. Si Miriam. Thank you for watching. Keep on watching.
Ice cream.
Tunaw na daw yung ice cream.
Ay, natunaw na. Galing pa ng nagbiyahe. Ay, wow.
Wait, sis, dito tayo. Matagal yung traffic. Then andun ako sa ano, sa may Vodafone, malapit na.
Ay, dyan nga ulit na. Ay,
Green, Pame na. Kay Pame, madaling mag-red yan eh.
ay, madaan.
Oo, red. dito. Okay.
Alam mo na.
Oo naman, dito yung territory namin eh. Maski natutulog kami mag-cross, eh, alam namin kung red or green na. Dito. So this is all for this vlog or this video. I'll see you again. Bye-bye. Keep on watching. Stay tuned or watch out for my other videos to come. Bye-bye.